achieve this look here, then stay tuned to the next clip. Alright, you guys, so let's talk about this hair real quick. This hair is from Eyelissom. It is the Pixie Bob Headband Wig. So in your pack, you will get, it comes just like this in the pack. So you will get this here, is what it'll come in. Your hair, all your little goodies. So inside of the pack, of course, is your wig. It comes with this cute little bag here that just has their name and something to protect your wig in. It comes with the headband wig, so you get a yellow one and you get this blue one, and then you also get a wig cap. So this is what all comes inside of your goodie along with your wig. And inside of the bag, you know, it just has this here, their logo, their name on there, Eyelissom. All of their information is on the card once you get it. The basically only thing that I've just been using for this hair is the Eben New York. So this is all I've been using, one pump and just go. It is so natural. It looks just like my hair. So, you know, you cannot tell. And this hair is really good for ladies if you go to the gym or anything like that, because I do go to the gym and stuff. This hair is so good. It's not hot. It's not on your back like most hair is. So, yes, this here hair is very good for going to the gym. So everything that you need to know about this company and this hair will be linked down in the description. And you guys, make sure you subscribe. Alright, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.